How to use naloxone by injection. Check if the person is responsive. If they are unresponsive or not breathing, do the following. Have someone call 911. Then, to give naloxone by injection, you need a syringe, needle, and a vial of naloxone. Remove the cap from the naloxone vial. Insert the needle into the rubber stopper on the vial. Tilt the vial and syringe back, then pull up the plunger to draw all the naloxone into the syringe. Next, select a fatty area on the person who is overdosing, like the side of their arm or thigh. Insert the needle all the way in. It can go through clothing. Push the plunger to give the entire dose of naloxone. After giving naloxone, perform rescue breaths until the person starts breathing again. If they do not breathe after 3 minutes, give another dose of naloxone. To learn more about how to get naloxone, please visit the Missouri Time to Act website.